Here we see a chain sling, assembled exclusively with components and chains from the company THIELE. It is important not to mix different manufacturers, especially not in grade 100 quality. That way, the highest safety standard is always ensured during use.
We've been using these chain slings for a long time. We recommend these chain slings again and again because they are highly versatile. They can be shortened for heavy loads or for awkwardly asymmetrical loads. With just a few simple hand movements, you can quickly adjust the chain length.
We always tell our customers that what we sell and confirm it on our documents. A product made in Germany, manufactured to the highest safety standards at THIELE.
I've been working with THIELE products in lifting equipment for quite some time now. I have complete trust in them, and I'm happy to pass that on.
We see ourselves as a family-owned company. That means we want to be as approachable to our customers as possible. If you're looking for advice on any kind of support regarding lifting, moving, or securing loads, we're happy to support you.